Guys, hawak natin right now is the special edition of Poco X7 Pro, which is the Iron Man edition. Papakita ko sa inyo what's inside this box, so don't you go away. So, ganito itsura ng box niya, special edition, no? Makita mo, Avengers Poco X7 Pro. It's a collaboration, and there's some text na nakasulat dito. And this is the same ejector pin, which is also happens to be yung ano ni Iron Man, no? Yung arc reactor niya, no? So, tanggal natin. Ganito itsura na sa likod, no? Yan. So, kita mo yung phone itself, no? And yeah, hilahin natin yun a bit. So, I'm Tony Stark, welcome. So, pag hila natin dito, dyan nakatago, no, mga charging brick natin, no, tanggalin na natin. Ito yung itsura niya. Looks nice, neat, no? So, inside, you have yung charging cable natin. You also have yung quick start guide natin. And you also have yung kanyang safety information sheet. And of course, yung kanyang free na bumper case, no? Maganda siya tingnan, para hindi matakpan yung logo ni Iron Man, no? Protected on sides, na looks really nice. Now, ganito yung itsura ng phone if you take it out of the box. Ang ganda ng logo ni Iron Man dito. Avengers, no? Ganito ang camera ring niya. And meron siyang gold ring. Actually, hindi gold. It's more of red. Metallic red na ring, no? Ang gilid niya is just plastic finish. I was hoping sana gawin nilang plated na red, no? Para mas mukhang Iron Man datingan niya, no? Pero almost the same siya sa Deadpool edition. And what's nice dito sa kanyang team pack, no? Talagang specially made for this phone. Ang ganda. Honestly, it's really nice, very dope, and perfect collection para sa mga mahilig sa Marvel Iron Man. And I took a lot of photos dito. I would say na maganda ang camera na Sony IMX884, beats sa front, beats sa rear, and talagang performer ang camera ni Poco X7 Pro. So guys, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood ang full review natin, no, head on over sa aking YouTube channel. Andun na ang full review ng Poco X7 Pro natin.